Hi guys, it's Ingrid with Spot Treasures. Long time no see. Or should I say long time no hear, because normally I'm not, my face isn't normally on camera. But I wanted to come in. I am starting again on my YouTube channel. And since my last video, I have moved. I have moved from Virginia on the East Coast to Las Vegas on the West Coast. I've been here probably about 4 years, a little over 4 years. We moved here in August of 2018. So I have a whole new subspace. In Virginia, I was soaping out of my kitchen and doing all my products out of my kitchen. Here in Vegas, I have my own space within my house to work out of. So let me start you from the very beginning at the door. Hold on. So here is my room. When you come in, I have a towel rack mounted on the wall that I use for all my various tissue papers. I got that off of Amazon. So most of the things in my room, I'll let you know where I got them from, just in case anybody wants to know. There's some of my boxes. I have some samples here, which, there we go, which are getting a little low. We just finished the holidays, so that's why I don't have as many. And this here is my shipping area, my boxes, my padded envelopes and all that. So that all stays right there. Here is my tape and all that. These shelves I got from IKEA. I think they were like $25, something like that. So I have 3 of them. So there's my Cricut. Here's all of my fragrances. This shelf mainly was for fragrances. Eventually, I might have to move some of the things on the top because I'm getting a little full on fragrances, as you can see. So I think we have over 250 fragrances. So there's my wax melter. I like to, even though I have a ton of fragrances going on in here, I tend to like to burn wax as well. This is my bath bomb press. I got that off of Etsy. I'll try to link the Etsy shop in the description. If you're not trying to spend $500 and $600 for a bath bomb press, this is a really good option. And it doesn't take a lot of muscle power and all of that. It's really good. I love it. I have a couple of videos on my Instagram of me using it. There's my radio and my fan. Of course, I always have to have some air blowing for me. My tripod. This is a glass print that was at my mom's house before she passed, and I wanted to have that here in my soap room since she was so instrumental in helping me get my business started. So here I have a working shelf and desk built into one. So my microwave, all of my labels are down there. These are bins that I use for wholesale. And then I have just my laptop and my laptop stand, per se, so that I can have a standing desk. There's my Rollo printer. And here is all of my products. Well, ones that are done anyway. A lot of my business is custom. Like you can do various fragrance on your body oils, your lotions, that type of stuff. But I do have some standard products that are not customizable. And so I have my soaps at the top, then I have whipped soap, then I have foaming whipped scrubs, and then I have emulsified scrubs. And they've got a few dividers in them to divide them out. I'm restocking since the holidays. But I got these shelves at the Container Store. Here's all of like my herbs and turmeric and Manuka honey that I use. I get most of my herbs locally here. There's a store here called Herbally Grounded, and they have really good herbs. And here are all of my bath bombs. I'm a little low on a few of them, but I have all aromatherapy, lavender, bergamot, peppermint, vanilla, spearmint, eucalyptus, peppermint, and lemon eucalyptus for cold and flu. So here is this is my triple butter whips. They replaced my whipped shea butter because this has cocoa butter, shea butter, and mango. So those are there. This is an overflow drawer. Here are my small triple butter whips. I think those are 3 ounces. Then I have my facial products, activated charcoal, a chocolate clay mask, a French clay mask, and an aloe and turmeric mask. And then here are my small turmeric scrubs and a few other scrubs that I have that are in the smaller sizes. I haven't started offering all of my scrubs in a small size yet. So here's my printer. It's an Epson Multi-Force Pro, or Workforce Pro, I think it's called. I really love it. I've had it for about maybe 3 years now. That's all where I keep all my filing. These are bins to put orders in. My business license. Oh, I still have one Christmas decoration that I keep forgetting to take down. So moving here, and as I said, these all here came from the Container Store. So here is, at the bottom shelf, is my mixers. These are mixers by Cookly. I got them on Amazon. I used to have KitchenAid, but I needed another mixer, and I just didn't want to spend another $300 or $400 for a mixer. So I bought these two instead, and I love them. They're really good. And they're very lightweight, and that's one of the things that I liked about them, was that they are lightweight, because the KitchenAids were so heavy to keep lifting up and down onto the table. The second shelf is my scale, my gloves. These are all essential oils. These are all specialty oils, pomegranate seed oil, vitamin E, rose hip oil. And then those are just like some extra preservative, sodium lactate for my soaps. And I forgot to go here. Here are my turmeric facial scrubs on this side. They're lavender lemon and tea tree and lavender. Here are all of my cuticle oils. I have 5 different scents. And here are my balms, my chronic pain balm, my sore muscle balm, skin soothing balm, and decongestant balm. My chronic pain balm contains CBD. So second shelf, here are my infusions. This is for my turmeric serum. These are for my skin soothing balms, and the one in the back is for my sore muscle balm. And they are these herbs infused in oil. So here are just a few little, I use this for almost everything. I use it to do my cuticle oils, my facial serum, all of that. I don't do wax, so I don't use it for wax. These are just pre-made containers for my mask, all 4 of them. This is a combination of coconut milk, kaolin clay, and colloidal oatmeal that I use in my soaps. Lip balm containers. Up here, there's my bath butter. Here is my soap cutter. In the back is my log splitter. You probably can't see it. And this is just some of my stamps that I use to stamp my soaps, and goggles that I use when I soap. And here are all of my aprons. So let's go to the top. I'm gonna kind of move back a little bit. These shelves I got from the Container Store. So up at the top, up here, are all of my additives. I have beeswax, sea clay, menthol crystal, stearic acid, emulsifying wax, cornstarch, buttermilk powder, calendula. I have a ton of different herbs and stuff to put up there. They're all labeled. So here, when companies send me fragrance, when I get fragrances, sometimes they send samples and all of that. So that's some of the sample oils, fragrance oils that I get. These are all of the flavoring for my lip balms. These for the Container Store as well. This one holds just some of my glitter, some of my activated charcoal, my colorant for my shower steamers. And here, this one This is pre-batched lotion. This is pre-batched body oil that I make. Those are just extra containers. I normally have pre-batched oils for soaps there, but I just finished doing a bunch of soaps, so I don't have any, so I need to do some more pre-batching. This is just all where my utensils and containers and all that are, that I use to mix with or whatever. Here is a mess, so I've been trying to reorganize it a little better, but these are all of my colorants, all of my micas. So it's quite a bit of them. And so I just, when I get them, I put them in baggies if they don't already. Some of them already come in little baggies, and that's fine, but some don't. So I just label them, and I put them in a bag. I labeled them where I got them from and the name, so I'll know if I need to order more. So those are all of my colorants. These are all of my containers for all of my products. Those are my soap molds. My soap molds are from Workshop Heritage, and I think they have their own website if I'm not mistaken. It's been a while since I bought them, but those are my double molds, and then I have a few single molds as well. These are more containers and more lids. These are all the lids and stuff. So here's my trash can. Here is another shelf. I normally use this shelf when I'm packing orders, and I just get the orders ready in bins and then I put them onto the shelf. That's my Spa Treasure sign. That's my Rolo weight, or what do you call it? I don't know. You weigh the packages with it. Scale. Rolo scale. That's what it's called. So I switched to Shopify on my website in the end of July. I was using GoDaddy before, and I switched over, and that's just my Shopify counter. So I've had 407 orders since the end of July. So these are just little baskets that hang off. These are like little tripods and stuff for my camera. I got those from IKEA. This shelf also came from IKEA. And then I have my table here, and this table is stainless steel. It's 5 feet long. I got it on eBay. This is a wholesale order that I just finished for body mist. These are the bins that were over there that I use for wholesale, and they're collapsible, so they save space. This is just my soaps that I was beveling, and I need to put them in boxes and put them away. So under my table, I have my cocoa butter, mango butter, and I have shea butter in those too. I've got my distilled water. I've got lye for my soaps, coconut oil, jojoba oil, avocado oil, castor oil. This one is sunflower seed oil. So I keep a ton of oils underneath my shelf because they're just easy to grab them as I go. And over here I have some bins that have bulk Epsom salt, kaolin clay, sugar for my scrubs. So those are all bulk for those. Then I have my couple of things of olive oil I need to restock. I just haven't yet. And then underneath I have some bins, and they're just like, this bin is just shred. I have a big thing of shred in my storage area, but I put some in here so when I'm packing orders. This just has boxes for my soaps, and then that has all like little baggies or whatever. But these big bins I got from IKEA, and they're really helpful. I really like them. And that's it. I've got my little stool over there that I sit on sometimes when I'm working on the table, like computer work. I just move my laptop onto the table. And that's it. So that is Spa Treasures in Las Vegas. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. If you have any questions on anything that I currently have in the room, or questions on products or whatever, feel free to shoot me an email at orders at spatreasuresonline.com or Kindred, Kindred, at spatreasuresonline.com. All right, guys, you take care and you have a great day. Thank you.